Image-to-Caption AI is the game-changing tool you need to know about if you're looking to streamline your image-to-text process. Whether you're a content creator, digital marketer, or someone who works with images frequently, this brand new AI software is something you'll want to pay attention to. Stick around as we dive into 7 crucial things you need to know about Image-to-Caption AI. Let's uncover why it's generating so much buzz. First off, Image-to-Caption AI is designed to automatically generate captions for images. Sounds simple, right? But it's far more powerful than you might think. It uses advanced AI to analyze the content of your image, identify key elements, and craft captions that are both accurate and contextually relevant. No more struggling with writing descriptions manually or worrying about missing important details. Image-to-Caption AI does the heavy lifting for you, saving you a ton of time and effort. You can try this software for free from the first link below. Now let's talk about accuracy. Image-to-Caption AI is incredibly accurate when identifying the objects, people, and scenes in your images. Whether it's a landscape, a product shot, or even something more abstract, it captures all the essential details and creates captions that are spot on. This level of precision is crucial, especially for digital marketers and content creators who need to ensure their captions are always on target. It's not just about getting words on the screen, it's about making those words reflect the image accurately and compellingly. One feature that stands out with Image-to-Caption AI is its customization options. You're not just stuck with generic captions. You can adjust the tone, style, and even the length of the captions based on your needs. If you're running an e-commerce business, you can make sure the captions are optimized for product descriptions. If you're a social media influencer or blogger, you can craft more engaging and relatable captions that connect with your audience. It's flexible, and that's a big deal when you're looking for versatility in your tools. Another major plus is how fast it works. Image-to-Caption AI delivers captions in mere seconds, making it ideal for anyone needing to process large volumes of images in a short amount of time. Imagine trying to keep up with hundreds of images across your social media accounts or marketing campaigns. This tool can help you stay efficient and consistent. What about language support? Image-to-Caption AI can generate captions in multiple languages, which is great for global reach. If you're working with a diverse audience or running campaigns across different countries, the software ensures your captions stay relevant no matter the language. But that's not all. The AI behind Image-to-Caption continues to learn and improve. As you use it, the software adapts to your specific needs, making it even smarter over time. This means you're not just getting a static tool, you're getting an evolving solution that improves the more you use it. Finally, pricing. While it's relatively new, Image-to-Caption AI offers great value, especially for what it does. If you want to test the software out before committing, you can sign up for a free trial from the first link in the description. You'll quickly see why this tool is gaining so much traction. So if you're looking for an AI solution that will save you time, improve accuracy, and provide flexibility, Image-to-Caption AI is definitely worth trying. After testing thousands of AI tools myself, I can confidently say this one stands out in its niche. Make sure to check out the free trial from the link below and explore the other AI tools I've recommended in the description after trying out Image-to-Caption AI. If you're serious about improving your workflow and content creation, this is a tool you won't want to miss.